Hey, what is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been like forever since I started doing videos, so yeah, welcome back. For a little bit of time I actually did quit YouTube. I just was I'm out, and it sucks because, well, the reason I ended up quitting YouTube for a little bit of time, actually for a couple months. It wasn't actually just a little bit of time, it was for like a couple months. I want to say like consistently for like about almost a year, since, well, kind of almost a year here and there. But anyways, the reason I ended up quitting YouTube was because of the fact that I am currently towards the end of pursuing my master's degree in organizational leadership. I actually enjoy school. I have gained so much knowledge from school, and the fact that just, you know, school has taught me responsibility, analytical reasoning, creativity, effective communication skills, and just the knowledge to understand how organizations work and, you know, leadership. And that's kind of how I've actually gotten to do recently Robinhood. You know, Robinhood platform. If many of you guys, some of you guys have, and some of you guys have not heard of Robinhood. See, back in the days when you had to go to like a brokerage and be like, oh, hey, I want to invest in this, I want to invest in that. And you had some person just telling you exactly what they wanted to do, exactly what they wanted to invest in. Oh, no, you gotta invest in this, you gotta put your money here, put your money there. Like, what the hell? Nowadays, boom, you got Robinhood, you got Webull, you got Ameritrade, you got Charles Schwab. I mean, you got so many platforms. I mean, Fidelity, I might be missing a few, E-Trade, but still, like, you have a lot of them are now just on your apps. You can download your app, and on your phone you can just be out there like day trading. You can out there just investing in stocks like I do. I'm gonna be sharing my stocks, my information on my companies that I'm into. Yeah, I got into the marijuana stocks, and marijuana stocks are actually the ones I got into actually were kind of crap, because of the fact that, like, I got into all of them, to be honest. I didn't know which ones are gonna be booming or not. I don't know which ones are still gonna go up or not, but I decided to get into them. I got into them kind of high when, you know, it was the big old buzz about the marijuana stocks. And then obviously, if you follow finance, if you follow the stock market, you can tell they kind of just went low. So they went like super low. But my market value has actually gone up. And the reason it's gone up because of Apple, Disney. I've gotten into AT&T. I've also gotten into NRZ, which is REIT stocks. I've gotten into BOTS, which is an artificial intelligence stock. And you know, those are the main stocks that I've gotten into that are actually dividends back to me. I did also get BABA, which is Alibaba. If you guys aren't familiar with Alibaba, it's kind of similar to Amazon, but it's the Chinese market of Amazon. So it's really awesome. Like I said, it's kind of thing where you can't just buy one thing, you gotta buy it in bulk. I've also been doing dividend investing for about less than a year for sure. It's probably been about like 4, 5, 6 months, probably, like just round up to 6 months. It's been about 6 months since I've been doing dividend trading. So it's actually been awesome. And like I said, it's awesome because, you know, every 3 months I'm getting paid. Every time I'm getting paid, for example, I'm always putting about 50% of my, you know, income, I'm putting it on dividend stocks. So that's actually been helping me grow. Like I said, I haven't been doing it this long, but I'm gonna take you guys on the journey on these videos. I don't listen to the news, I don't listen to the market analysts. I do look at products that are coming out, and, you know, like recently I ended up getting into like Disney. Disney was at like maybe about 129. Yeah, it was around 129, 130 a share. So before I looked at the date, started researching on when like the Disney Plus was gonna come out. So when before Disney Plus ever came out, I ended up buying, like I said, I have a lot of money to buy into it, but I bought like 5 shares. You might think 5's not a lot, but those 129 and 130 average that I ended up buying Disney stock for, right now it's at 148, fluctuating to 150. So, and it's a dividend stock, so I ended up making a good profit from that. But the thing is, it's about holding your stocks, whether the market goes down, whether the market goes up. I wanted to focus on videos that are like, besides entertainment videos that I've been doing, and I'm gonna continue doing those. Besides those kind of videos, I wanted to focus on videos that I've actually like, where I can actually, you know, give a little bit of insight and my personal opinion on certain things. You know, for example, about the markets, about like dividends. I actually want to share some of that information with you as well. Because like, this is the thing, I've been doing stocks for about a year. Yeah, I have. But I have not been doing dividend trading for a year. I've only been doing dividend trading for a couple of months. But even though the marijuana stocks and all these other stocks, sometimes I just bought stocks just because they just seem to have be kind of popular, have some type of momentum. And the thing is, when I finally got them, I'm like, oh, I got REIT stocks? Oh my God, I didn't even know I had REIT stocks. Well, I got bots? I didn't even know I had bots. What the hell is bots? I just seen artificial intelligence and boom, buy. And that's the thing. That's the thing about the market. Sometimes you don't know what you have. If you just crazy and new investor like myself, that I was just like, oh, buy this, buy that. It's like a fat boy in a candy store, and boom, 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 buy, buy, buy. But at the same time, I started learning a little bit more. I started actually focusing on growing my portfolio. Because before, when I first started my Robinhood, I didn't even, honestly, to be honest, I didn't even understand what the hell grow your portfolio. I'm like, what portfolio y'all talking about? What the hell does that mean? But like I said, it's about growing my Robinhood accounts, and dividends is growing over time. Now, don't get me wrong. Like, for example, Alibaba is one stock that I love, but it's not, it's like I said, I've got it at 184 and it's at 210 now, but it's not a dividend stock. So, but why did I buy it? Well, I bought Baba because I wanted to gain, like, increase in my, portfolio. The reason Baba is very important is because Baba may go up, and if it continues to go up, if I ever need that money, I can, because it's not getting me dividends, it's just laying there, it's not even getting interest. But the importance of those kind of stocks like Tesla, Facebook, which other ones, like Google, Amazon, Baba, those kind of stocks that do not have dividends back to you, those kind of stocks are actually very important because of the fact that we're hoping that they go from one level, they're hoping they just keep rising. Yeah, the CEOs are kind of stingy and don't give you dividends back. It's okay, because at the same time, those kind of stocks, if you ever need money and they're at a certain high, like when people bought Amazon at like $200 and now it's at like $1,700, $1,500, they were able to sell. If you ever need the money, you can sell it. If not, you can just continue to ride the wave and then eventually sell it. And that's the thing about those kind of stocks. Dividend stocks, I don't personally recommend selling. Dividend stocks, just leave them there, let your money gain that compounded interest, and boom, throw it back in there. And then eventually, if you start adding more money in there, over time, it's kind of like growing your money on trees, because your money is going to keep circulating. I have so much that I want to share with you guys. I missed you guys. I miss being on YouTube, and I miss just putting out videos. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoy. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up. You guys haven't viewed, you better get to viewing. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. Peace.